are going to see reactions of haloarenes. Okay, the question number 1, why haloarenes are less reactive than haloalkanes towards nucleophilic substitution reactions? Okay, so these are the 3 reasons the haloarenes are less reactive as compared to that of haloalkanes. Okay, resonance effect and difference in hybridization of carbon atom in CX bond. Okay, so first we let us see resonance effect. So what do you mean resonance effect? Because of this is your haloarene structure. Okay, listen, Cl. Okay, so halogen attached to the benzene ring, this is haloarene. Aryl ring attached to the halogen atom, this is called haloarene. Okay, this chlorine, it contains a pair of electron 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 5 6. Okay, right. So one electron sharing with that the CCl bond. Okay, so this is haloarene structure. Okay, it undergoes, listen, this minus I effect takes place. Okay, students, listen, this is a new concept, minus I. What is minus I effect? Inductive effect. Okay, inductive effect means when halogen attached to the aryl ring, that is readily to electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group means donate the electron, pair of electron to this benzene ring. Here the pi bond is present, the pi bond delocalization takes place. After it gets back, withdrawing means இப்போ மணி வந்து பேங்க்ல போட்டுட்டு என்ன செஞ்சிரோம் நம்ம, we can withdraw, எடுத்துறோம். So that is minus I effect. Okay, so this minus I effect, it causes due to the it undergoes resonatic structures, that is called resonance effect. Okay, so here you see this pair of electrons donate to this carbon. So what's happened, this is for the symbol of resonance effect. Okay, listen. Okay, so here Cl 1 2 3 4, this pair of electron is donated here, so it attains partially double bond, and here one pi bond is present and also pi bond is present. You see here this 2 nearest pi bond is not possible. Okay, so it comes outside, it present in the ortho position. Okay, so here you see the next, here double bond is present, Cl. So the pair of electron donated now, so it gets positive charge. Okay, so this electron is present here. Okay, as it is. Okay, after that this wants to come here. Okay, because of the delocalization takes place. Okay, these 2 nearest is not possible. Okay, what's happened? Wait. Okay, listen, 1, here double bond is present, it attains. Okay, this electron comes to here, so here present, so at the time these 2 nearest is not possible, so this electron present in the, comes outside and present in the para position. Okay, listen, so here one electron is present and the same Cl positive charge, here the same electron is present, this electron comes outside and present in the para position. After that this wants to come here, these 2 nearest is not possible. Okay, so here as it is 1 double bond Cl positive charge, so this electron comes here, so this electron goes there. Okay, after that this electron comes the second or next rotations, so these 2 nearest is not possible, so it gets back. Okay, okay, here 1 1 2, so 3, sorry, here 3 and Cl, this is, so this electron it gets back. Okay, so you see here this is a resonatic structure, this is real structure, and this is canonical structure. See, the real and canonical is not one and the same. இந்த ரெண்டுமே சேமா இருக்காது. Okay, but this the pi bond delocalization takes place, it undergoes many resonating effect. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so higher the resonating structure, higher would be the most stable compound. Okay, so for that here, so under the resonating effect, so it makes CCl bond, it creates a partial double bond. Okay, it creates a partial double bond. Okay, so for partial double bond we cannot break easily. Okay, the CCl bond, the partial double bond, we cannot break easily. So compared to haloalkanes, the haloarenes are less reactive. This is case number 1. Okay, first of all, it undergoes minus I effect. Minus I effect means the presence of halogen atom, the donated pair of electron, that means electron withdrawing group. Here the pi bond T localization takes place. Okay, so the resonating effect, and also it creates the partial double bond. Okay, so this partial double bond, the shorter bond, we cannot break up easily. So this is the less reactive compared to that of haloalkanes. Okay, see here haloalkanes structure. Let me take an example for CH3Cl. Okay, so here carbon and hydrogen, and here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here Cl. Okay, see here this is my plus I effect. Okay, students, you see this is minus I effect means electron withdrawing group, plus I effect means electron donating or electron releasing group. You see this carbon, the presence of pair of electron keep on releasing. Okay, so this electron, this is the chlorine is a highly electronegative element, so it gets back. Okay, in the highly electronegative element, the ability to attract, okay, attract the electron itself. Okay, so it attains negative charge, it attains positive charge. Okay, so here you see easily this bond break up, and so this chlorine is a best leaving group, and it readily to undergoes the participate in other chemical reactions. But here the presence of the partial creation of partial double bond, we cannot split up easily. So the haloarenes are less reactive compared to that of haloalkanes. Okay, and also you see the second point is difference in hybridization of carbon atom in CX bond. Okay, so here you see that this is Cl. Okay, here this is the pi bond delocalization, the pair of electron, it causes double bond, partial double bond, and pi bond delocalization takes place. So here sp2 hybridization takes place. Okay, the CCl bond, it attains sp2 hybridization takes place. Here this carbon attached with hydrogen and also the halogen atom, here that is sp3 hybridization takes place. Okay, so what is the stability order for sp greater than sp2 greater than sp3? Okay, so here sp 50% S character, sp2 33.3% S character, and sp 25% S character. Okay, here the sp is ruled out. Here we can see only for arene group, that is it undergoes sp2 hybridization. For alkane group, it is the sp3 hybridization carbon. Okay, so compared to this more S character, the presence of the halogen atom can have the highly electronegative, can hold the electrons towards itself. Okay, இதில் இருக்கிற இந்த chlorine வந்து எப்படின்னா highly electronegative இருக்கிறதுனால இந்த bond வந்து என்னது donate after it get back, minus I effect, due to minus I, which means that is a resonating effect, the partially double bond makes, okay, shorter bond. Okay, its a bond length is only 169 picometer. Okay, here 170, here that is 177 picometer. Okay, okay, this is shorter bond, this is longer bond. Okay, so shorter bond, that is a we cannot split up easily, as well as the stronger bond. But here due to the sp3 less S character, we can split up the bond. Okay, so this is for your reason, the difference in hybridization of carbon atom in CX bond. Okay, so these are the 2 points. The haloarenes are less reactive than the haloalkanes. Resonance and difference in hybridization of carbon atom in CX bond. Here sp2 hybridization, here sp3 hybridization. sp2, the bond length is shorter and stronger, we cannot split up easily. This is easily because the plus I effect keep on releasing the electrons, and so easily it relieving this better leaving group, and it undergoes the chemical reactions. Okay, to participate the chemical reactions. Replacement by hydroxyl group. Okay, so the question is phenol from chlorobenzene. Okay, so chlorobenzene can be converted into phenol by heating in aqueous sodium hydroxide solution at a temperature 623 Kelvin and pressure 300 atmospheric pressure. Okay, so here you see that here the reaction mechanism is NaOH. Okay, so 2 moles of NaOH. So what's happened? This OH, it gets converted to H2O, and this Na is combined with this chlorine atom. It comes out NaCl, and it forms sodium phenoxide ion. After that is it converted into phenol. Okay, so this reaction phenol. Okay, so that is phenol from chlorobenzene. Okay, this is a reaction mechanism. Okay, right. The second one is the same OH. Here you see that the NO2 group is present in the para position. This is ortho position, this is para position, this is meta position, this is para position. So here this NO2 is, it undergoes minus I effect. Students, we very well know that minus I effect means electron withdrawing group. Okay, the presence of haloarenes in electron withdrawing group to increase the reactivity of the haloarenes. This is one more question, keep it in your mind. So that electron withdrawing group decrease the acidic character, increase the base character. Here you see that sodium hydroxide at 443 Kelvin. Okay, so what's happening? We can get 1, 2, 3, 4 nitrophenol. Okay, 4 nitrophenol. Okay, the same time this is ortho position is electron withdrawing group, and para position also electron withdrawing group, react with NaOH at 368 Kelvin. Your product is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 4 dinitrophenol. Okay, so among these two, which one is the major product? Higher the number of electron withdrawing group to increase the haloarenes, reactivity of the haloarenes. This is on the major product. Okay, so this is just replacement by hydroxyl group. Okay, we can get phenol and these two products. Okay, another one method, that is electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, usually electrophilic substitution, students, you see that previous concept we studied, haloalkanes undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions, that we studied SN1 SN2 mechanism. Here the haloarenes usually it undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன அப்படின்னா, ஒரு எலக்ட்ரான் ரிச் சென்டரில் அனதர் ஒன் எலக்ட்ரோஃபைல் என்ன செய்யுது, அட்டாக் பண்ணுறது. பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் the haloarenes presence of this halogen atom, what happening? Minus I effect. Minus I effect means what? So the donated pair of electron create a partial double bond, the pi bond delocalization takes place. So here the pi bond delocalization, the resonance structure, it causes the ortho position and para positions are electron rich center. Okay, so this electron rich center, here you see that this Cl2, this haloarene react with Cl2 in presence of anhydrous FeCl3. FeCl3 here act as a Lewis acid. Lewis acid means that is accept the pair of electrons. Here what's happening? Then this reaction takes place, FeCl4 minus plus Cl plus. So this is your electrophile to attack ortho positions and this para positions. Because of here, see that students, electrophilic substitution reaction வந்து பென்சீனை கம்பேர் பண்ணுறப்ப ஹாலோ அரீன்ஸ் வந்து லெஸ். ஓகே, யூ கீப் இட் இன் யுவர் மைண்ட். விச் ஒன் இஸ் பென்சீன் வந்து என்னது, இட் அண்டர்கோஸ் ஃபாஸ்ட்லி எலக்ட்ரோஃபிலிக் சப்ஸ்டியூஷன் ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ். பட் த ப்ரெசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் திஸ் சிஎல், இதில் இருக்கிற இந்த சிஎல் வந்து பைபோன் டீலோக்கலைசேஷன் நடக்கும்போது இட் டீஆக்டிவேட் த பென்சின் ரிங் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரான் வித்ட்ராயிங் குரூப். முதல் என்ன செய்யுது, எலக்ட்ரான் ரிச் ஸ்பீசஸ் present ஆர்த்தோ அண்டு ஆஃப்டர் இட் கெட் பேக், ஓகே, எலக்ட்ரான் withdrawing group. Okay, so that electrophilic substitution reaction is less compared to the benzene ring. Okay, here this electrophile go and attack the ortho position as well as the para positions. We can get two product, 1,4-dichlorobenzene and 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Here you see the which one is major product. Para position is a always major product because of symmetry. Okay, we cannot the split up easily because of the strong lattice, that is symmetric lattice. Okay, right. The same time nitrations also the presence of con HNO3 plus con H2SO4. Here the NO2 plus is the electrophile. This electrophile go and attack electron rich center like ortho position and para positions. We can get 1-chloro-2-nitrobenzene and 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene. The para position is the major product. Here the sulfonation reactions takes place. Same, this is SO3H plus. SO3H plus is a electrophile. So this electrophile go and attack electron rich center like the ortho position as well as the para positions. We can get two types of product. Then the 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid is a major because of para position. Okay, students, you keep it in that. Haloalkanes undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. Haloarenes undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. Here one thing you note down that due to electrophilic substitution reactions, which one is the higher benzene ring is a faster reactions. The haloarenes are somewhat less because of this presence of Cl, electron withdrawing group, after they get back. But anyhow, the electron rich center in ortho position and para position. So the incoming electrophile attack the ortho position as well as the para positions. We can get two products. Okay, Friedel-Crafts reactions. Okay, Friedel-Crafts, this is a kind of electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so here anhydrous AlCl3 haloarenes react with this alkyl chloride. This is methyl chloride, now alkyl chloride. Okay, so this is anhydrous AlCl3 act as a Lewis acid. Okay, so Lewis acid means accept the pair of electrons. So this Cl accept the pair of by this AlCl3, it gets AlCl4 minus plus CH3 plus. Okay, this is your electrophile. This electrophile go and attack the electron rich center like ortho position and the para position. Okay, right, we can get two products. What are the products? 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene and 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene. This is a major product. Okay, so this is para conditions. Okay, so here you see these are the two reactions. Haloarenes with alkylations, that is called alkyl Friedel-Crafts reactions. Haloarenes react with acyl chloride. How do you get this acyl chloride? CH3 COOH. This is acetic acid, no, react with HCl to form H2O to form that acyl chloride CH3 COCl. This is your acyl chloride. Okay, so haloarenes react with acyl chloride in presence of AlCl3. So this Cl accept by this AlCl3, it gets AlCl4 minus plus this CH3CO plus it is a electrophile. This electrophile go and attack ortho position as well as the para positions. Okay, so 2-chloroacetophenone is a and 4-chloroacetophenone. Okay, so this para position is the major product. Okay, this is your electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, and the first one you see that phytic reactions. What is phytic reactions? Aryl halide react with metal like sodium. In the presence of dry ether we can get diphenyl. Okay, so this is for your phytic reactions. These two reactions combined, because of before that we studied previous class Woods reactions. What tells us Woods reactions? Alkyl halide react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether. Here the phytic reactions is aryl halide react with sodium metal. So these two combined, that is called Woods phytic reactions. So Woods phytic reactions means aryl halide, and the Woods reactions means alkyl halide, and phytic reactions means aryl halide react with metal like sodium metal. Okay, in the presence of dry ether we can get alkyl arine. Okay, this is alkyl arine. Okay, so this is your Woods phytic reactions. Okay, okay students, that's all.